As you can tell by the title of today's video, I am going to be unboxing a piece from Coach's newest launch, their Pride collection. I'm super excited about today's video. I've partnered with Bzzagent and Coach to pick a bag from the collection and review it and speak to you guys about it. So if you'd like to see what bag I picked up from Coach's Pride collection and hear all about it, just keep watching. Welcome back to my channel. Whether or not you're new here, please take one quick second to make sure you're hitting that little red subscribe button down below, as well as turning on your post notifications, so every time I upload a video, you'll get a little notification and you can drop on by and see it. As I mentioned in the beginning of the video, I'm super excited about today's video. I actually partnered up with Bzzagent and Coach to review a piece from their new collection, which is their Pride collection, which actually all proceeds from the Pride collection, if you pick it up in store, the proceeds of that do go to the LGBTQIA plus, all of their community centers, different organizations that Coach has teamed up with. So I really feel like the whole entire collection is just, it has a purpose, because when you purchase it, you are helping, like I said, different charities, community centers, different organizations that are meant to help LGBTQIA plus young people thrive. And I think that's great. So I was super excited when I got the email and the opportunity to work with Coach. This is a really big deal for me. Coach holds a special place in my heart because when I was a preteen, it was the first, I guess you can say, designer luxury bag brand that I've ever owned. So I was really excited to see their new collection. Like I said, I think it's super cool that they're bags with a purpose. So even though you're purchasing a bag, you're helping a charity and you're helping such a great cause and such a great community. And as a strong ally, I just felt like this was the perfect opportunity for me. I absolutely love the mission that Coach is doing behind the bags in the Pride collection. So I was super excited. As always, I am going to insert close-ups later on in the video or at some point in the video. But this is actually how I received my bag. So it came in a factory seal. The bag that I chose, they had sent me, I would say, about 15 bags to choose from. The bag that I chose is the Willow saddle bag, and it is in the tan hazelnut multicolor rainbow canvas. I absolutely was drawn to this bag because it does have two straps, and if you're no stranger to my channel, you know that I absolutely love bags with more than one strap, more than one way to wear them, because I just feel like you can get more than one look for the price that you're paying, especially when it's dealing with designer and luxury brands. I feel like that's very important to be able to get more than one look out of one piece. So I really was drawn to this because it has two straps. It has a longer messenger strap as well as a shorter yet adjustable, well, both straps are adjustable, but a shorter adjustable leather strap. So I just was really drawn to that, the fact that I would be able to wear it two different ways, and depending on how you adjust the straps, you can get a lot of different looks that way as well. So I thought it was super cute. The style itself reminds me of my Goyard Belvedere bag, and I will leave a link up somewhere on the screen for that unboxing. So I was really drawn to it for that reason as well. I love the shape of the bag. I love that there's a back pocket detail there. I love inside you get kind of like a front hidden pocket. So this is how the bag came packaged. So this is the front of the bag. The back of the bag, that is one of the pockets that I mentioned it has. I mean, really the multicolored canvas to mimic the rainbow pride flag is really beautiful, and it goes super nice with just the calfskin regular brown leather, so I really love that. This is the turn clasp closure. I love this little detail that the actual Coach leatherwear tag is also in the rainbow pattern, so I really love that. I thought that was a very cute detail that they thought of. So inside the bag, you actually have this front pocket right there behind the clasp, and then you have all this space as well as a zippered pocket. And once again, Coach paying super attention to detail. The logo on the inside also has the same rainbow lettering. And if you're not new to my channel, then you know I love anything with a double strap option because it gives you two ways to wear the bag essentially. So what you do get with this bag is you get a long crossbody burgundy, maroon, and red kind of color crossbody strap, and then you also get the nice genuine leather crossbody strap. I do believe the red strap is a little longer, so you essentially have two ways to wear it. And like I said, if you're not new to my channel, you know I love that. So you have the two straps. The leather trim in the brown just goes so well with the multicolor canvas. I feel like I absolutely love how much they paid attention to detail. And then you also have the gold hardware on the sides. I think it's super cute. Coach definitely paid a lot of attention for the Pride collection. I think every piece was done beautifully. And I mean, the colors on this bag, you can really wear this with anything, like I said. But it really holds a lot more than you would think. And I love that you get those two extra pockets as well as the two extra straps. So this bag retails at Coach right now for $3.95. Like I said, I believe it's all of the proceeds. If not, the majority of the proceeds help the Coach Foundation partner with different community organizations and different organizations within the LGBTQIA plus community. So I just feel like you're spending that amount of money on a bag, but you're also helping several different organizations and different people thrive. And you're also making a statement. And I mean, it's such a cute bag. One thing that I really love about the rainbow canvas in Coach's new Pride collection is I feel like you really can wear it with anything. There's pops of orange, pops of yellow, pops of red, pops of blue. So you have so many options. I love that because it can really go with anything. You can put on a plain white t-shirt and jeans, and this will just brighten up the look. You can wear it with a bright sneaker. I know Coach also came out with, I believe, slides and two different types of sneakers as well from the Pride collection. So I really, really, really love the multicolor canvas with the hazelnut leather. I just think that went perfectly together. I think if it was any other color, it might just not have meshed the same way. So the Willow saddlebag itself, Coach describes as a not too small, not too big, equestrian style bag to hold your everyday essentials. And I definitely would agree. It's not too big and it's not too small, but very much like my Goyard Belvedere bag, it has so much space. It's a little bit deceiving, but it is deep and it can fit so much. And I love the pockets for that little extra. You can throw different things in there that you don't want to get mixed up in the bigger section of the bag. But I definitely love the size of it. I think Coach was on point with the size. It definitely has space for all your everyday essentials. And like I said, with the two adjustable straps, you can wear it all different lengths. I was really drawn to the Willow saddle bag for that reason. I thought I can get so many different looks out of this bag with the straps. I can play around with it. I can even add a different type of strap, maybe a chain strap. The Pride collection features this rainbow hued canvas pattern, and Coach describes it to represent all the colors of the Pride flag, and I absolutely love that. It's a beautiful rainbow. The colors are so bright and vivid. You probably will see that or have seen that in the close-ups, but I absolutely love the color. And like I said, I love that Coach put so much meaning and thought into this bag for the LGBTQIA plus community and their Pride collection in general. I think they did a really good job executing. They understood the assignment. They made really stylish pieces and still incorporated the rainbow. Like I said, they incorporated the rainbow on the little side tag. So I really feel like, as usual, they paid attention to detail, every little detail, and I absolutely love it. I did mention on the inside there is also another logo with the rainbow print in there. So I just really think it was done so well. The Pride collection was done so well. I was super excited to receive the bag. I was super excited for the opportunity, but I absolutely love the bag, the style of it, the pattern. I think it has so many different looks you can get with it. You can dress it up, you can dress it down, you could use it for every day, you can use it as a going out bag. So I absolutely love that. I do know that the Coach Pride collection is a limited edition collection, so I do not know if it is still in stores. But if you are interested, they have so many different styles: totes, backpacks, messenger bags, shoes, all different sorts of accessories. Definitely look into that, and definitely see if your local Coach store maybe has some in store. Otherwise, you can definitely check out coach.com. Like I said, a bag with a purpose. I just absolutely love it because I feel like it's meaningful, yet stylish, yet practical. It's just, I'm super impressed. Love that they've made pieces that you can get wear throughout the year, and I love that. And your bag is still making a statement, and you've still helped out several good causes through the Coach Foundation by purchasing from the Pride collection. So I really love that. It's, you know, you're gonna buy a purse. If you're gonna buy a purse, it's very rare you get the opportunity to buy a purse that benefits a charity or has a bigger meaning behind it than just being a luxury designer purse. So I really love that Coach was able to do this. And I really love just the whole idea, the concept of the Pride collection and who it helps. And like I said, they killed it. They made really stylish pieces. They understood the assignment. They executed it beautifully. So I think it was a win-win. I'm super excited to get so much use out of my Willow saddle bag. I love the maroon thicker strap. I love it. I can't wait to see how many looks I actually come up with. Once again, thank you to Coach and Bzzagent for sending me this bag. I was so excited to get this opportunity, and hopefully you enjoyed this video. If you did, please make sure you're leaving a thumbs up down below, and I will see you guys as always in the next video.